Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Hey guys, so recently I realized that I have a lot of lipsticks in my makeup pouch and there are so many makeup tricks that I can do with them. It's actually very convenient because it saves a lot of space and I don't have to buy different products for different makeup tricks. So in this video, I decided to show you a few hacks that you can do with your lipsticks. It's actually very simple and you can do it every single day. So let's begin with hack number 1. So this was it for today's video. Let me know if you want to watch any other hack video with makeup products in the comment section below. And before I leave, let me tell you about the POPxo shop. I've been using their makeup pouch and the mug. We also have other cool stuff like laptop sleeves, phone covers, cushion covers. So if you want to buy any of our merchandise, then click on the link in the description box below. And for more such videos, subscribe to POPxo Beauty.